Hi, I'm Tabby, a skin health specialist and author of Unmasking Acne. And today I've got something really special in store for you. Today, you are going to be listening to my highest self mini meditation. So I want you to really step into that next version of you, the one who embodies skin confidence even before you've achieved your desired results. So let's not waste any more time. Let's dive right in. And if you feel called to, let this be your invitation to join my brand new membership, She Glows Anyway. Let's get started. Hi, beautiful soul. Welcome to your highest self glow activation. This is your moment to pause, to soften, and to reconnect with who you truly are. Let the outside world melt away for now. You are safe here, you are held here, and this is your time to remember your glow. Place one hand on your heart and the other on your stomach. Take a deep, slow breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment, and then sigh it out softly through your mouth. Again, inhale gently, feeling your chest rise, and exhale slowly, letting your body melt a little deeper into safety. With each breath, imagine waves rolling onto a shore. The tide flows in with your inhale and releases with your exhale. With every breath, you are softening. Your shoulders unclench, your jaw relaxes, your stomach eases, your whole body begins to feel calm, regulated, and at peace. Taking your mind's eye to the center of your forehead. Imagine yourself standing on a warm shoreline. The sand is soft beneath your feet. The sky above is painted in pinks and golds, and the ocean stretches endlessly before you, glowing in the light. Ahead of you, you see a woman walking towards you. She glows. Her skin radiates naturally. Her energy feels magnetic, calm, and powerful. She seems familiar. This is you. This is your higher self. Notice the way she moves, the way she smiles softly, the way she radiates confidence and softness, all at once. As she comes closer, she looks at you with so much love. You can feel the love radiating within you. And without words, she says, "I've been here all along. You've always been me." Allow yourself to simply stand with her, to witness her presence, to feel the love and glow that surrounds her. She reaches out and she takes your hand. Her warmth flows into you like sunlight, and she invites you to step into her. You can feel a warm, glowing light coming from above you, igniting every single cell in your body. Breathe deeply as you merge with her. You are becoming her. She isn't separate from you. She is who you've always been. Feel yourself fully embodied as your highest self. Notice how different your posture feels. Notice the calm strength flowing through your body. Notice the soft, radiant glow that's surrounding you. Repeat silently in your mind or speak out loud. I am safe. I am glowing. I am confident. I am enough. I am already her. Let these words settle deep into your body. Anchor this feeling of safety, softness, and strength. Begin to bring your awareness back into the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes and take one final deep breath in and exhale slowly. And as you bring your awareness back into the room, know that your highest self is not a dream, it's not a goal. She is you right now. You have just remembered her. This is only the beginning. If you loved this moment, imagine having a whole library of meditations, EFT practices, journaling rituals, and confidence tools to guide you every step of the way. That's what you'll find inside She Glows Anyway. A safe space to embody confidence, regulate your nervous system, and rise into your glow alongside other women walking the same path. Your glow is already within you. This is just where it expands. Access meditations just like this one inside She Glows Anyway. You can access She Glows Anyway through my website tabithaisabel.com, and of course, as always, the link will be down in the show notes, so definitely go check that out. I would love to see you inside She Glows Anyway. It is my inner circle which has a course and a meditation, so definitely come along, join in. I would love to see you over there. I'm Tabby, I'm sending you so much love, and I shall see you very soon. Thank you for listening. Bye.